Okay, it is New Year's Day. It is this January 1st, 2018. And this trade was actually very interesting. Oh, I forgot. So this is actually a trade on the Aussie dollar. I need to edit that. But basically, I for this whole trade, from a very long-term perspective, right? Uh, it was in a region of a very strong region of interest that acts as a support and resistance on the daily frame, the daily chart, and on the so because of this, I was looking at a potential push down, and what really sealed it for me were these two candles that formed here on the 4-hour chart. These two candles right here, and at that point it looked pretty obvious that there was going to be a retracement. I didn't know, of course, how far, but I intended to take it to here, to there. Yeah, I intended to take profits around here. This trade was also very interesting because I did it on a Friday and I actually forgot that it was a Friday, so I had to wait not just for the weekend, but today's New Year's Day, so the markets were also closed on New Year's Eve. So for pretty much all of Monday, today's a Tuesday, all of Monday I couldn't really do anything. But anyway, today I saw the market. The market kind of pushed down, and after this candle formed, I was a little bit anxious. I was hoping it would just push down to these levels before it moved anywhere else. Uh, I initially had my stop out here, kind of pushed it down to around here at the top of this candlestick before I went out. When I came back, of course, the market had taken me out. So I am not. Part of me thinks it was a bad trade. Part of me thinks it was an okay trade. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, that kind of push made sense. But on the hourly, it was interesting. So eventually I think the market's going to actually completely break this, especially if this closes outside of this region and there's a second one that closes out. But these two areas of interest, these two areas were of interest to me right here, this level and this level. And this level is supposed to be a point of trade management where I was going to reevaluate and decide if I was going to take my profit and walk away or not. So I wanted to see what would happen. I actually didn't really look too much at the 15-minute time frame. So So I just, because of the way the market was forming and the strong black candle, I anticipated the market just keep going all the way down. So yeah, but I was wrong. I guess the trend really was completely key in this situation, and it just let itself be. Yep. So this was a key point. I think in the future, if I had been trading two contracts, I would absolutely have taken one out and then let the other one run, and then eventually that would have put me at break even. I could have actually gotten out of this trade with about 10 ticks in profit. So that's very disappointing, but it's okay overall. So I believe I got short around here and stopped out here. Okay.